What's up, YouTube? It's me again, and I'm here at the laundromat. Today is Friday, and I'm off, and I'm just gonna do a little laundry today. You know, let's go check and see what exactly do it look like inside. You know, let's do outside first. Nice and sunny day today. Not too bad. Excuse my voice. That's what it looks like. Allergy season, and my nose and my throat is like. I ain't mean to do that again, but to the trees. This is what it looks like over here so far. It's like, I don't know, like a whole mini thing. But we're gonna go inside and see what it looks like inside. How about it? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Shoot, beat it. It's like 24 hours. So that's always good, you know? You can do that too. 24 hours and then laundromat. Oh, somebody left their earrings in here. It's cute. But yeah, just waiting on stuff to dry. You believe there's stuff in here? Yeah. Bunch of car. It's pretty big in here. It's not. Yeah, it's pretty big in here. Got a whole bunch of washer dryers. They got the big, super duper. I don't know if you can see that. It's like super. They got tall, double and triple and giant way down there. Probably can't see it because it's way down there. And I don't feel like walking down there, so let's just stick right here and watch the dryers for 2 seconds. Okay, yeah. So this is the laundromat. So rotate machines. I just what you call it. I need to. This side here. Even though, oh, there's nobody down this way. Let's take a ride down this way. See? And that's the Giants. It's a chill day. I'm happy. Tell you what you call it. Machines are over there. And they jam it. And that's it. Yeah. Not too bad, you know? Yeah. Like the size of it. Better stop leaving the whole stuff around, you know? Yeah, music too, so. Get back to my washer and dryer. I said washer, I meant dryer. Oh, sorry. And we're back here. I have a washer in the house, but I don't have a dryer, so that's why I come here. Get my stuff cleaned up. I don't leave it in there though. Let's go back outside. And that is the end, my friends. We're going back outside. Should we take a walk down? See what it looks? It's like mad sunny. It feels good out here. But I definitely have a sweater on because it is a chilly, chilly day. Well, the sun is out nicely. Nice and shiny. So, but yeah, that's Enterprise over there. I think everybody know what Enterprise is. Is a rental car. But if they didn't know, you know now. And yeah, this is the laundry. Big billboards. There's really not much to actually show over here. I'm just going to show you the street and what's across the street. And that'll be all for today. But let me show you this stuff first. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Appreciate you guys all the time for doing so. And this is what the streets looks like. There's a Dollar General all the way down there. I don't know if you can see the Dollar General. You probably can't. There's police down there. We got action, y'all. We got action. I don't know what's going on down there. But I'm not going to walk all the way down. But we can take a slow stroll. It looks like a truck got pulled over, it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's holding up traffic, though. I'm glad I'm not at work today. Because traffic is tough. It's not on this side though. But if you keep going straight down, there's a Target, there's Wendy's, there's a whole bunch of stores. This is called the Post Road. But yeah, it is really holding up traffic down there. I don't like it. I don't like it. Alright, let's get back to where I'm going. But thanks again for watching. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Appreciate you. Peace. Thanks for watching.